hi, Daddy. Big baby. You know how good it is to have the weekend off. If you are new to this channel, I want to thank you guys. Welcome to this channel. Join Team Easy Man and make sure you subscribe. What a very nice day. See this? It's about 85 degrees in Connecticut. The weather's perfect. The weather feels like an ultimate Jetski weather. You know what's gonna happen today. Tune in. So as of right now, what we have planned right now is we're gonna get together with the Big Fifth and we're gonna pull out these bad boys. It's the official start of our Jetski vlogs. We got the Can-Ams, we got vacation, we got travel vlogs, we got pranks, we got all of the above. We're gonna be traveling with the family, aka the Real Family Vlogs. So make sure you subscribe to the Real Family Vlogs. This is just my wife and our kids and our family. But again, in the meantime, we're gonna get ready, gas this baby up. This is the official first ride. And first and foremost, I also want to say I want to thank you guys. We're up to 1,300 subscribers, meaning 1,300 subscribers. That's like that particular number. It's weird for me because I didn't think I was gonna be here. I didn't think it was gonna get me here. You know, shout outs to my boys. Like, you know what is 13? Like, do you know what is 1,300 subscribers? 1,300 people who likes my videos? When I remember when I only had probably 100, and I felt good. 1,300? Like family, Team Easy Man. Well, in the meantime, well, let's all get ready, get in the car, hook up the Jetski, fill it up with gas, go meet the Big Fifth, who's always gonna show up late, who probably won't even show up. But you guys are showing up. You guys gonna watch. Shout out to Alto Voltaje, El Topo, El Hani, Mello, es lo que ustedes dicen. Oh no! By far the most dramatic kid I know.
Oh no, it's Typhoon.
He should get signed.
The car's chasing him.
Hey guys, you see? The carnival's in town. Look how nice this looks. I love this image. Look at that. What do we got here? Look at this, look at this. This is the Big Fifth joint. So we got the 2015 Yamaha Wave Runner. I believe this is 260 horses. Big Fifth joint. Just in case you guys didn't see it from my last video. This is what it looks like out of the water. And then you got this. I mean, don't mind that. It's a little bit bad. So we finally reached the lake. This is called Bantam Lake in Connecticut. And at the same time, this is probably one of the best. But now I'm kind of upset because they changed it. Because now we no longer can go to the beach area because you have to be a resident. And the day passes are $20. I'm not a fan of spending $20 for an all-day park event when I know it's free. Before it was free most of the time. Now they want to charge us. I don't know where the cause of it, but I'm trying to figure it out. How to dump the Jetski. Hey, stop. He don't know what he's doing, but the proper way. Turn the wheel. No, the other way. Once again, these guys just didn't get it this year. maybe next year. Keep it going, keep it going. There you go, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there, you go. There you go, you go. You ready? It's her first time on the jet ski. You know?
So why do you have the pants on?
Right. Official, we are at the lake. Jet ski season has begun. Let me show you. Woo. So you see how what a blessing this is to sit here with the family and just relax, bring out the jet skis, have a little picnic, have my son here, my daughter over there doing whatever. And it didn't cost us much. It didn't cost us much. It actually didn't cost us anything to be out here today. All we're doing is just relaxing, enjoying the time that we have. You already know, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say this in advance. I'm sorry if you could hear the wind. I don't have the, what is that called? The dead cat? I don't have that yet, but soon. This kid is gonna burn out your battery. Hey, bud, you're gonna burn out your battery. You're gonna burn out the battery, bud.
I can't do that.
Okay, go ahead. I got you. Dale. It takes so little effort to have such a good time. All you have to do is just try. As long as the family's happy, that's all that matters. But in the meantime, we're gonna go out there. I'm gonna show you a little glimpse of this lake, Bantam Lake. I'm sure you guys seen this last year, but maybe things might have changed, so let's hope. I'm gonna use my GoPro Hero 4, which is kind of the old one because I forgot my 7. Always have to have a backup. See where it's attached? Look at it right here. So make sure, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share these videos. Anybody who has jet ski, tag them. Tag them. Let them know that we're out here.
Do the hands, like Maya. Front and back. Front and back.
You really? Like, got me some ham and cheese, bro?
Yeah?
You look cute.
Yeah, no.
I'm cute.
Bro, what does this mean?
That's it, all the dead fishes.
Why are there dead fishes?
They're all dead. They're all dead. They're all dead.
Believe it or not, that's probably my favorite house
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
on the lake side. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Good Lord, that's a nice house. Hold the camera. Show the viewers. This is the awesome part about being in the water. You can just turn it off and just be nice and relaxed. All right? For example, turn it off. Look at the view here. So peaceful, so quiet. What more can you ask for? Nice and relaxed. Got the GoPro on. Again, got the GoPro 4. Because I forgot my 7, I'm sorry. Now that's how you do a proper donut with a nice slow motion feel to it, huh? Huh? Somebody's scared. Huh? He can't compete with me, I'm just saying. I have to put that out there for you guys. He can't compete with me. That beach right there is where we used to go all the time. And unfortunately, they stopped.